And Olympic champion Julian Alfred in great form, leading the world rankings. You can see that 21.86, not far off her personal best. That was a few weeks.
Welcome, 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 welcome to you, my people. How are you doing? How are you doing, ma'am? Yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. Good day, good day, good day to you. Nice having you. Yes, but they are people, they have to just meet up and talk up and greet up, you know? Yeah, man, so it's a blessing to have you, my people. It's nice if you can let you know where you're watching the video from and how is everything where you are. You don't know, and we want to give a word of prayer for the people. Send out condolence for the people in Philippines. And we again, Cuba. Cuba, I believe, yeah. So, you know, I want to give out our condolence to those people that really passed through that tragic, you see me? Yeah, man, so. God alone and God all the time, you see? Yeah, man, so. It's just a blessing with people. So we just try to keep it that way, you know? We say God alone and God every time. That's it. So there are people. I try to see if we can get up the I try to see if we can get up the we can get to see the comments of my people. So just give me a little you know, you're not too used to it, but you know, you gotta get to it. Get into it, my people. Get into it, get into it. Oh, I can't pick up this. Why is this? I cannot pick it up. Why? Oh my God, what is this? Can't pick it up with people. Wait. I'm going live now. I want to see it. I don't saw it. Oh my God, what is this? Why is this behaving this way? So look, I can't find it like this. See if like this. I can't connect to the right. I want to connect to the right. I want to connect to the live. I don't understand this. Like this now. Yeah, me people, so but they are going to hold it easy. And I'm going to ease back as it, yeah man. So we see all the work going. That's it, yeah man. You know, my people say already I see some things on the internet. And if you say, oh my God, I just I got the internet, boy, I tell you. Yeah man, some things on the internet today. Is yeah.
Two there, you got a pipe there?
Yeah, let me on this.
Alright.
Yeah, some incident that take place to people. I got a little drink, you know. Yeah, respecting people. Yeah, with people, so when they may run through on the internet, let's just sit on the internet, I follow the internet. Nikisha Burshell with AI photo with her hair them black and blue. You see, the day I see it, the next day, because you know, you have 3 days, them have parliament Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, I believe, yeah. So, when me see it, the next day, I see a lady in a parliament with her hair them sound. So, I wonder, what kind of rumor that, trust me, I spread. Why, to me, like, them hate are bad. Yeah, them hate are bad because, imagine, she just attack a natural Jamaican or she know if it talk Jamaican. And, you know, them call her all kind of name, silicone body and them, you know, parliament, bitch, all kind of name, all kind of dirty names. It's not necessary. To me, it's not necessary. Yeah, man, to me, it's not necessary. It is not necessary. So basically, where I go on and just I try to create a thing for her if she feel that way. But a country girl, we know she's strong. So, them things are not supposed to hurt her, you see? It's a country tell them juice are not really juice we drink, you know, people. You know? Yeah, not really good for it. I don't know artificial flavor. You see? Yeah, man. Some nice and loving people, big up on yourself every time now. Or not doing, or is it, or is everything. This is why I go on our local country, our beloved local country, Jamaica. But you know, you hear some people are drink man attack, I must say, boy, we Jamaican not attack. And the reason why we not attack is because we never exercise our democratic rights. We sell out with democratic rights. And I'm looking at my argument to myself, and it's like it's so for real because as far as it goes, like all the system set is because of some people where have the opportunity to vote. Where they really do them collect for vote. So the part where can give them the money at the time of voting. That is the part them I vote for. So this is the part where coming the most money. That is the part some people don't really matter about where you want to do after. They don't want to know so why come the next 5 years time, come with the money again. I'm ready for vote again. It should never be like that. We should all be exercising our democratic rights. Because when we do things like that, when we exercise our democratic rights, whenever time the government try to slip up, they know that we will stand up for our rights because it's what you promise us. Although they say promises are comfort to a fool, but it is all what you put in paper, on ink and paper, and say, boy, this is what you have to fulfill for the next 5 years. And when we saw that it is not possible, a leader is not up to the par of what you're doing, we have our right, we the people have our right because they are our leaders. Yeah, they are our leaders. But remember, they say we are the government. Yeah, we the people are the government. Yeah, and the people they must always remember that because if we say no more for you, you have to come out while we are still here. Understand me? Yes. So we only put them in there and we want to give them 5 years. If they don't operate the way we them operate, we have all the opportunity, we have all the rights to change them and put in whosoever we need to put in and give a chance. Okay, so we, the people, have the power. So my people, we must, we must, we must stand up. Yeah, it is full time now for we Jamaican. We must get unified. Not we Jamaican alone, but all black people around the world. Yes, all black people around the world. It is full time now for us to unite and come together. Why is it that we keep on bad minding and grudgeful and some what I call it, domestic violence and those little things. You know, we don't really fight war against one another. We have community violence and domestic violence and political wars, and those are the things that we have because that is what they do. They use politics and divide us, see me, and put us to fight against one another. Yeah, then put us to fight against each other. Understand me? Yeah, my people. So welcome to you on the live. Welcome, 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 welcome to you on the live. It's a pleasure to have you on the live. Blessed to you. You see, as me I say, they use the politics to divide us. Yes. They use the politics to divide us. And it is so sad. Yeah, it is so sad. But you know, what I am glad for that Jamaican is now into the first class world of education. Yes, Jamaican is now is so educated now. And thank God for Michael Manley. Yes, thank God for Michael Manley because if I never for him, so many of we Jamaican know that is educated. Where would we be? because those times a lot of us that are educated now, our parents, ask our parents if they are still alive, or our grandparents, they can tell you, yes, that is the leader that Jamaican can make money and can own property and can build house and can fly go foreign and can set a foundation for the generation coming up. So it all set from those days. A lot of people enjoying life until now. Yes, if you, the younger people, can ask your older folks, they can tell you back in the 70s I come up when you never have no education and the leader say, Jamal. Yes, the leader said, Jamal. Yeah, remember, the leader said Jamal, and when the leader said Jamal, a lot of elder, a lot of our grandparents and great-grandparents, and when I say grandparents, because they are talking about the younger people and now say, for them grandparents and them great-grandparents. Yes, in the 70s, yes, in the 70s, yeah, you know, so those people go to Jamal by the leader of the country, them time they get look out, them can sign them name and them see them name Pambula and eat it. Yeah, my people, that is true. Them see them name Pambula and eat it, my people. Because it's not easy, my people, trust me, not easy. Our people were we were literate, we was just living underneath slave, we call it now Bacamasa, see, for rule, and that's all we Jamaican, our parents back, food parents and so forth, that's all they was live, that's the way they were living. See, that's the way we were living. So when we get the education and say, boy, yeah, education for the people of this country, it was a very good move because a lot of people, right, a lot of Jamaican right now is all over the world because of their education. They're all over the world and living good because of their education. They may not get the education back in the days, but their parents got it or their grandparents get it, that they could set a foundation from those time. That's what I'm talking about. They set a foundation that you, the younger one that come inherit and live off of that foundation and make yourself a man. You see, a lot of people just have them things and them get them things and them set them things the right and proper way. And that's the way it should go. That's the way it should go. You understand, my people? Yeah, that's the way it should go. So, it's just, it's always a wonderful feeling to know some boy, yeah. We know that we Jamaican, we have to give thanks and praise for that man, because that's where the foundation starts from. Yeah, that's where the foundation starts from back in the 70s, 72, 76. You see, 1980, it was a disaster. A lot of things go on, corruption and carried on for the country and so forth. You see, and after 89, the country get 18 years. I remember, I know. Jamaica keeping a government in power for 18 years. The Jamaican keep a government in power for 18 years. Remember, them a eat food. Yeah, them a eat food. And we can tell you, say, they say, a lot of people say, boy, government may not be so blah, blah, but the people That was the most important thing in your country now. See? Your people that live in your country, your people and your brothers and your sisters, your skin color people like you live good and I enjoy themselves. Yeah, that is the greatest thing, my bro. Once you live good and I enjoy yourself are the greatest thing that you see. And if a government can run a country for 18 years and step down and give somebody, they must know say it will go on good. No matter what the corruption behind, yeah, people are going to, yeah, because that is all about a government. No government no just run no matter what they do. There is a corruption behind it. See where people are going to pick out and talk about and bash him pan. See? But we all know that. See? But he was one of the most educated prime minister of our country. See? And he was coming from out of the stable of Michael Manley. Understand me? Yeah. And he lead this country for 18 years. I remember me telling the people that prime minister run Jamaica for 18 years. They can slip up and a jiggy. You see? Them have to have them head on them body and not run the country right way that people can be prosperous. If people life keep elevate. People always keep it in, but once people find them start get stumble and go down and there is no things set for we the people that we the people can elevate ourselves. What do you think we're gonna do? Maybe we're gonna do. Them are gonna make a change. Yeah, people are gonna make a change. See? Remember them people are make a change. And no joke about it. No joke about it. And when the people, remember now, we the people of the power now. When we the people say, no, I just know it done. Somebody else. Understand me? Yeah. So if the people ever keep you in as our leader and give you 3 terms, them have a confidence in you, don't spoil it. Do not spoil it. Yeah man, don't spoil it man. There is a confidence, the people them have a confidence in you, bro. Bro, the people them have confidence in you and them give you 3. Don't spoil it, bro. I hear you talk about the 4th. If you spoil the 3rd out and reach a 4. Can't spoil 3rd and reach a 4, bro. So when I talk about, bro, yeah man, you can't spoil it. Can't spoil it, bro. I bet the people them say the good, the love is the people them never show the people them the love. But the people them that show you. The people them show you love, bro. Show what the people them love, bro. That's all it takes, you know, bro. You know, that's all it takes, bro. To show the people them love, bro. But the people them have what them want, bro. But the people them live comfortable, bro. But the people them have food to eat every day. But the people them have light on them street. But the people them have work for go and collect and those are the most important things right now. You know, understand how we can pick up my life and my come on operate it, I want some comments and so forth. You see me? And it's like we can't get 20. So we can, so we can see the comments again. Let me see.
Dale una oportunidad a esta IA para que te sorprenda. Deja que escanee los mercados.
Oh, yeah, my people, so there are people, so those are most of the most things I talk about, and I say, boy, we need to show more interest, show love, show really people love. I know what I get my people. 1 week ago, there was a blackout. Yeah? 1 week ago, there was a blackout. Well, the news that circulating was that say, before the blackout, there was a fire up by the JDF. I'm there, I try. When I know how I can find my life on the laptop so I can see the comments. So I hit me and search on people. This look like I don't like this. Live now gonna show me that. But I don't know more time things just fly out of my head, my people. But anyway, my people, just send in the comments, my people, okay? Suppose you see it come up, flash up on the screen, but when I see that flash up on the screen, I know why. No comments now come up, I don't know why. Let me should I look? I probably this thing set for made for kids. And probably the comments now they'll come up. Anyway, no matter people, I'm gonna stop the video and restart over my life again. Cause I don't know what I go on.